Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your 11/11 portal reading from the tarot deck. But please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. And I don't read reversals. Gender is not specific here. So if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation. So let's start your reading and let's see what this 11/11 portal reading is bringing you. Beautiful energies for you, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Empress here. So right now you're becoming the Empress here. In my main reading also, which I have uploaded, I told you that you are rising as an Empress here, Aquarius. Okay, there is definitely Empress energy. You're becoming more beautiful than before. Okay, you're rising as an Empress. Empress is all about nurturing, caring. Okay, Empress can give birth to any new idea. Some of you can get pregnant. That can also be a possibility here. Something which you need to take a leap of faith here. The Fool energy is here. Okay, and you have to use your intuitions here, Aquarius. Keep your strength. Okay, and there is Wheel of Fortune which is moving in your favor, and there is Two of Cups energy. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages here. But definitely you are rising as an Empress. That's beautiful to know that. So let's start the messages. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to deliver the messages for Aquarius for this 11/11 portal reading. Give me the messages which are important to deliver. Let's see the messages from the tarot. What this energy is, what this portal is bringing for you. What are the messages you want me to deliver? There is call. See, call and the Empress both are here again. So there is a call which is coming up for you here, Aquarius, to move in a forward direction. Or let's see more. There is King of Air. That means King of Swords. Any other message for Aquarius? Please give me the messages for Aquarius. What is the message? Five of Earth, that is Five of Pentacles. Ace of Air, that is Ace of Swords. So you're going to get your clarity. The clarity is coming and you have to take a leap of faith. The Fool energy. See, I told you the Fool energy is here. Okay, you will come towards the calmer waters here, Aquarius. You're going to get your clarity here. See, with the Ten of Cups and the Ace of Swords is here. So you're going to take a leap of, but you need to take a leap of faith. There is some kind of wish fulfillment which is coming up for you here. Right now you have to keep the patience here. There is a definitely Tower which is going to come here. This is the divine intervention. Something is coming for you, Aquarius, but right now you're going to get your clarity. You just need to take a leap of faith. Now let's see more messages from the tarot here. Okay, please give me the 1 2 3 4 5 6 messages for Aquarius for this 11/11 reading. If you are feeling like an hangman, you need to take a leap of faith and you have to move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Please give me the important messages for Aquarius. Please give me the messages. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Star. There is a healing energy. There is new hopes, new desires which is coming up for you here. Okay. They are asking me to do the clarification. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, I'm going to do the clarification for this. The call is all about Ace of Swords. So you are going to get the clarity, the clarification here. Okay, about the deception, lying, cheating, manipulation which has happened with you here. Someone walked away, leaving you behind, move in a forward direction with the Eight of Cups. Okay, so they are going to call you and going to give you the clarity that why they did this to you here. So there is a clarity which is coming up for you here, Aquarius. Clarify me, Empress. Why there is Empress here? Why there is Empress? Wow. King of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. Two aces in your reading. So right now you are standing strong here. You know your guards are up here. Bottom of the deck I am having Seven of Wands here. So right now you are financially independent here. You know how to manage finances. You are starting a new passionate beginning. You are working on yourself here, Aquarius. Okay, that's great. That's great. Let me see why there is King of Swords here. Please clarify, King of Swords. Please clarify me, King of Swords here. Strength and Page of Wands. So you have to keep your strength, Aquarius. Okay, because new happy beginnings are coming up for you. You already know the truth. King of Swords is someone who knows the truth. Okay, and you know the truth. Right now you just need to keep your strength and moving in a forward direction. Why there is Five of Pentacle here? Please clarify me, Five of Pentacle. Okay, there is Five of Pentacles and there is Moon. So follow your intuitions here. Maybe you are having some kind of confusion here that why this person left you out in cold, but you already know the answers, because here I'm having High Priestess here, bottom of the deck. So you already know the truth. You have the answers. Just follow your intuitions. Whatever confusions you are having here, you just need to follow that. Why there is Ace of Swords here? Please clarify, Ace of Swords. You are having lot of options to choose. Okay, because of that you are having confusion that which option to choose, or you feeling restricted maybe because you don't have the clarity. You have a lot of options to choose. Because of that you are being trapped in your own mind thoughts. But there is someone who is coming towards you here with the Knight of Cup. Knight of Cup, with whom you are going to have the happy family, happy life. Ten of Cups energy. So you're going to get your clarity with whom you're going to spend your whole life, and that person will be your wish fulfillment here. Okay, there is someone which is coming towards you with a love offer with the Knight of Cup. Knight of Cup is someone who is stable, romantic. Okay, now let's clarify Fool. Why there is Fool here? Please clarify Fool. Why there is Fool here? You have to keep the patience. Again the Patience card is here. Fool and Patience. So you have to keep the patience here, the Temperance here. Wow. Maybe right now you're going through some kind of competition, drama, fighting in your life, but do not worry at all. Can you see there is four aces in your reading here in today's reading? So you are going to get the balance in your life. This is wonderful reading ever here, Aquarius. Four aces here. You have to take a leap of faith and move in your forward direction. That's why the universe is going to bless you, and that is why this is the happiest reading reading I can say here, because you are getting the new beginnings in all area of your life. Okay, either it is emotional, financial. Okay, so in all areas of your life you are going to start a new beginning. Four aces in your reading here. Okay, maybe right now you're going through some kind of fighting, drama, conflicts, but do not worry at all, because you're going to get the new beginnings, the happiest beginning in all area of your life. That's wonderful to see that. Okay, let me see more messages for you. Let me make some space here. Just take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction here, Aquarius. Okay, let's see more messages. Please give me more messages for Aquarius. Hangman, what is the message you want me to deliver? See, Seven of Cups again. So because of lot of options to choose, you are not able to choose one option in your love life. Because of that you're feeling like an hangman. Maybe you are having confusions to choose which option to choose, which direction to choose, which direction to go. But you have all answers within yourself here, Aquarius, because there is a hangman here. Can you see? You are having all the lights, all the answers, all the thoughts here. You have the answers within yourself. Let me see. Please give me more messages for Aquarius. Okay. So this person is coming back in your life. Okay, this person broke your heart here, which is coming towards you, and they're making the decision to come towards you. Okay, they have made the decisions. Maybe there are two person who are coming towards you. One is the Emperor and one is the King of Wands. One can be a fire sign. Lot of fire energy is here. So maybe they broke your heart in the past, but they're coming towards you with an apology. They're going to contact you here. But definitely there is a new beginning of Ace of Pentacles. Can you see? There is a solid commitment or something which is you can touch. Okay, Ace of Pentacles, something which you can touch, which is coming up for you, and this is what you are manifesting here. Can you see? The Magician, the Manifestation, High Priestess. Again, High Priestess is here. Use your intuitions, Aquarius, because your intuition is guiding you clearly. Okay, so this person is coming towards you, but you are right now not opening up. You are holding back your energy. You are not opening up yourself. This person is coming towards you, and this is the Emperor. And can you see the Emperor and the Empress both are here? 1 minute. So this is your divine counterpart. This is someone with whom you have to spend your whole life. You both are made for one another. Emperor and the Empress is here. So this is beautiful. So this was the energy, this was the message which I need to receive, which I need to give for you, Aquarius, and this is very beautiful. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, death and rebirth energy is here. You can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, sending you lots of love, healing light and beautiful happy energies to all of you who are watching my video. And you can also let me know if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.